Gonna try to do a temporary radiator fix with Flex Seal. It might work. It's just got 3 pinhole leaks where the black is there. I sprayed it once already. We'll spray it again, see what happens. When I called Flex Seal, they said that it's not heat resistant. We're gonna find out. I'll let it sit for a couple hours and dry. It looks like it's still dripping. When it hardens, maybe it'll be better. I want a radiator, but I want one made in USA or Canada. They ordered one for me at AutoZone. It was $196, and they couldn't tell me where it was made at. I told them if it's made in China or Mexico, I didn't want it. They called and said it was made in China. I told them to send it back. There is a company called Spectra out of Canada, and they do make radiators and gas tanks. I was able to find a gas tank made in Canada for my 94 Chevy S10 pickup. Now I found the part number for the radiator for my van made in Canada. I'm hoping that I can find that radiator. I don't see it on eBay. I'm gonna have to call Spectre in Canada and see where I can find it at. Maybe that place in Ohio where I order parts from, Summit Racing, might have it. I need to call them and see. I need a new radiator. I think that's the original radiator. It's a 2-core from 1988. My G20 is a camper van. I've had it for 6 years. It's a good running van. This van's titled as motor home. The insurance is only $62.50 every 6 months. Title is a Chevy van. They wanted $900 a year. I'm filming off a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder in 4K. It should come out really good. I love my Chevy van. I can't believe I haven't fixed the radiator earlier. I put that stuff in the rabbit pellet stuff and it didn't work. That bar's rabbit pellets. Then I put what I put? I put 6 ounces of pepper in there, black pepper. I'd seen that on YouTube, how you can put black pepper on it. Didn't work. It worked for maybe a day or 2. What else? The stuff bars leak. It's that aluminum fibers. I put that in and it's really helped a lot, but it's still leaking a little. I need to just fix the radiator right, put a brand new one in it. For now, I'm going to try that Flex Seal. Because it might take a week for the radiator to come after I order it. I like my Chevy camper van. It uses a lot of gas.